Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Atok balance to your Trust wallet. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well and support me by subscribing to this channel and join my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to accumulate more points before I will show you how to withdraw your Atok to your Trust wallet. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video and the referral code. Once you input the referral code, then you are going to download this app from your App Store or Play Store. Then you click on avatar. Once you click on avatar, you click on daily question. You can see this daily question, you click on it, then you are going to be answering this question every day. The first one, you will just click on anyone, then you are going to read the question and answer the answer. Then once you are done, then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, here you can see 4 Atok. So every day you'll be receiving 4 Atok every day once you complete the question. So guys, that's it. The next one, you are going to click on NFT, and this is the NFT that you are going to see. But for you to receive this NFT, this free NFT, you must invite at least one person. And once you click on store, here you can see these are the NFT that you can buy. You can see these are the NFT you can buy. Once you have reached this point, this Atok point, then you can buy this NFT with your points. So guys, as you can see here, to buy this one NFT, you are going to spend about 11,000. And here you can see every NFT have its own price. Every NFT have its own price. So once you have accumulated that point, then you can go ahead and buy this NFT. It's going to be useful in the future. So guys, the next one is how are you going to withdraw your Atok to your Trust wallet. So guys, first of all, you will download Trust wallet, and if you log into your Trust wallet, once you come here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of the Trust wallet. So you are going to click on this icon here. You can see this icon, or you click on manage crypto. So guys, once you click on this plus sign, then once you come here, you are going to turn on BNB. But if you have already turned on this BNB, no need for you to turn in again. So guys, once you are done, then you are going to click on this plus sign here. You are going to click on this plus sign, but if you have not yet turned on everything here, make sure you turn on it. So once you come here, you are going to change the network to BNB. So you click on Ethereum and you are going to click on BNB Smart Chain. You can see it here. You click on it. Then I'm going to leave this contract address in the description and in the comment section. Make sure you copy the contract address and paste it here. Without this contract address, you are not going to receive your Atok balance. So guys, here you can see that everything have appeared here, but the Atok name and the decimal. Then you click on import. Once you click on import, then you go back to the dashboard of your Trust wallet. Then you scroll down, and here you can see the Atok have appeared in our Trust wallet. So you are going to click on it. So guys, once you come here, you click on receive. Once you click on receive, then you are going to copy this address. This is the address that you are going to receive your Atok balance. So you will log back to your Atok app, and once you come here, you click on manage. So guys, then once you come here, you are going to click on transfer, and here you can see that 400 of this Atok, it worth $3.72. Here you can see the listing price, the price of the Atok. So once you click on transfer, then you are going to paste the address you copy from Trust wallet, and you are going to input the amount that you want to transfer to your Trust wallet. Mind you can do this on your MetaMask, but here I'm showing how to withdraw it to your Trust wallet. So guys, once you for me, I'm going to withdraw all, then I'm going to click on transfer. So guys, once I click on transfer, here you can see it's showing me insufficient fund, so I cannot withdraw everything. So I'm going to withdraw 300 of my Atok. I have 400, so I'm going to withdraw only 300, and then you can see the network fee is 7. So once you click on it, then you are going to click on confirm. You can see confirm here. You click on confirm, and you are going to solve this recaptcha. You can see that you are not a robot. Then you click on it, and you are going to solve this captcha. And once you come here, you are going to log in your pin, and once you log in your pin, then you are going to click on confirm. And once you come here, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Then you still solve this captcha, then click on verify. And once you come here, you can see that I've successfully withdraw these 300 to my Trust wallet. And here you can see what I am left with is only 113. So I will still go to my Trust wallet and confirm whether I have received this Atok in my Trust wallet. And if I come here, you can see that my balance have reduced. So guys, I will go to my Trust wallet and confirm this transaction. So once I come here to my Trust wallet, I'm going to refresh this page, and boom, here you can see I have successfully received 300 Atok. So guys, you cannot withdraw this Atok to your Bybit where you can sell it. They have not yet listed it. So once they listed it, you will be able to transfer it to centralized exchange, and once they listed it, you will be able to swap it. You'll be able to swap it to any coin of your choice. So guys, once you come back, you click on this icon. Here you can see these are the announcement that they are making, so you can read the announcement here by yourself, and you are going to learn more about their project. So guys, once they have announced the listing, you can be able to swap it from the Atok to USDT or any coin of your choice. And if you want to earn more, you click on games, then you are going to click on this jackpot. But I'm not going to advise you to play this game, because you are going to use your Atok balance and play this game, and you know, in gambling you must lose and you are going to gain. So you have choice. If you want to accumulate more points, you can play the game. So guys, that's the end of this video.